The Aviation. Hugo Enslin invented it in 1916, named it for the aviation pioneers of the era. Pale lavender in the glass, the color of the sky at altitude, from a 1/4 ounce of creme de violette. Then creme de violette went out of production. One ingredient vanished, and the whole drink disappeared from bar menus for 50 years. Rothman and Winter brought it back in 2007. It's been on every serious cocktail list since. 4 ingredients: gin, fresh lemon juice, maraschino liqueur, and creme de violette. That last one makes the drink. Start with 1.5 ounces of London dry gin. The Aviation needs something assertive enough to carry through the sweet maraschino and the floral violet. Tanqueray or Beefeater are the classic picks. Plymouth if you want something a little softer and rounder. Hendrick's if you want to lean further into the floral side. 3/4 ounce of fresh lemon juice and 1/2 ounce of maraschino liqueur. The lemon is the acid balance, the thing that stops the drink from collapsing into sweetness. Luxardo is the standard call: nutty, dry, cherry forward. Nothing like grenadine. Nothing substitutes for it. 1/4 ounce of creme de violette. This is the reason the drink disappeared and the reason it came back. Rothman and Winter is the bottle to find. Gifford Violette works too. Without it, you have a fine gin sour. With it, you have an Aviation. Pale lavender, floral, unmistakably itself. Chill a coupe in the freezer first. Add gin, lemon juice, maraschino, and creme de violette to a shaker with ice. Shake hard for 10 seconds. Double strain into the chilled coupe. The drink should come out pale lavender and clear, not murky. Drop a Luxardo or brandied cherry in, not a neon red jar cherry. The drink earned better. The Aviation is floral, tart, and slightly nutty. The creme de violette is present but not loud. Gin up front, lemon brightening the middle, the violet and maraschino deepening the finish. Perfectly balanced. It disappeared from bars for 50 years. Drink one and try to understand why anyone let that happen. Come back and sit down for another drink soon.